In this part, we will talk about time schedules, regional settings, and automatic connection. A time schedule consists of all the time intervals that will see video streams being recorded from camera to video footage or a macro being launched. In the list of time schedules, click the Create field and enter a name for the time schedule. After that, set the start and end time for each interval. Check the boxes for the days of the week in the interval. Create the necessary number of intervals for your time schedule. To clear the interval, click this button. The timeline will show each day's intervals. Click Apply. The newly created time schedule appears in video footage and macro settings. Now, let's proceed to regional settings. Select either the Gregorian or Persian calendar. You can also change the interface language. You must restart Axxon next to apply these settings. Next, let's try the automatic connection option. You can set automatic connection of your client to one or several servers belonging to different Axxon domains. Select the connection type in the Connection Protocol field. In the Automatic Connection Parameters field, enter user credentials for automatic loading. The credentials must be the same for all servers in the list. Select a server and a connection port number. Then, click Add. After you have added all servers to the list, select the checkbox for the main server. When connecting, the client will use the parameters, maps, layouts, user rights of the main server's Axxon domain. Click Save to save the automatic server connection configuration. When connecting the client to other Axxon domain servers, you can load a previously saved configuration by clicking Load. That's how we configure automatic connection.